Gets na gets naman kung bakit sila sikat na sikat sa Zamboanga. And honestly, for us besties, not a single bad dish. Pero sobrang na-impress kami sa kanilang fried chicken. As in, fall off the bone, moist, perfectly seasoned. Buti na lang, meron na rin sila dito sa Manila. And I can't believe na ngayon ko lang sila itatry. I think this is when your usual comfort food is done right. And spoiler alert, ang sarap ng kain namin dito sa Family Fried Chicken. I do think in general that their food is more on the sweeter side. And I think kaya ko siya nagustuhan. Pero simulan na agad natin with their chicken. Ito palang panalo na eh. Super tender and moist. Pinoy style siya eh. So parang pinrito siya na walang breading. Crispy pa din yung balat. Yung brine niya para may konting sweetness na nanunuot hanggang laman. Ito yung pangalan ng restaurant nila. And kita naman kasi masarap talaga siya. Hindi ako masyado sanay kumain ng spare ribs na maraming breading. So I preferred my naked din kasi. But the meat itself was moist, salty, and sweet, and ang sarap i-dip din sa suka. Yung kikiam nila parang textbook kikiam. Super standard pero it's good. Ang mix ng meaty and may konting extenders. Yeah, every bite is very juicy. Beef with broccoli was also pretty good. Broccolis were well hydrated and tasted fresh. Beef was soft and tender, very tasty, and may subtle umami. Pinili namin yung yang chow as our rice. And the rice itself is well seasoned and surprisingly not too oily. Na-curious din kami sa siopaw bola-bola nila and pretty standard naman. Nothing super special but pretty good. Lang kami but would you believe na halos naubos namin yan lahat. I do have to say that their food is more on the sweeter side but the savoriness of the meals were still there. And of course, we can't deny the taste of umami which is okay lang naman ng MSG. And in this case, hindi naman siya too much. Sobrang busog ng lunch namin and we can't wait to go back. Enjoy!